In a world where diseases steal dreams, technology brings them back. Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurological disorder that primarily affects movements, but also affects non-motor function like mental health, sleep and pain. It is characterized by the gradual loss of the nerve cells in the brain, leading to the deficiency of dopamine, a neurotransmitter crucial for movement control. The conditions worsen over time, with symptoms becoming more severe, impacting more areas of the body. Symptoms after begin with tremors, stiffness and slowness of movement. It affects over 10 million people worldwide. In India alone, it disrupts the lives of nearly 600,000 individuals, mostly elderly men. Enter a revolutionary innovation by the National Research Development Corporation, an indigenously developed peptide-based therapeutic that directly targets the root cause of Parkinson's. By inhibiting the aggregation of a protein called alpha-synuclein, this small, smart molecule can cross the blood-brain barrier and potentially stop the disease in its tracks. Today's therapies focus on motor symptoms, leaving behind cognitive issues, sleep disorders, and emotional struggles. This peptide promises not just symptom relief, but the possibility of true recovery by targeting what truly matters, the disease itself. It's safe, effective in animal models, and more accessible compared to invasive surgeries like deep brain stimulation. Formulatable for nasal sprays or depot injections, this therapy is being developed with the problem being faced by elderly people worldwide. Supported by public innovation systems, it reflects India's scientific dreams, delivering not just global competitiveness but compassionate care. Imagine a future where age no longer equals decline, where grandparents play with their grandchildren without fear, where science heals without harming. That's the social promise of this breakthrough: dignity, mobility, and independence restored. A revolutionary and effective breakthrough drug to solve the problem of all elderly people special after 60 years worldwide. Technology Hamari, Khwab Tumhare. Promoting innovations and transforming lives. For more details contact Priyanka Aswal, Senior Technical Assistant. Email priyanka.aswal@nrdc.in